treat me as you should treat me, not as I should be treated. One lives in the hope of becoming a memory. They have stopped deceiving you, not loving you, and it seems to you that they have stopped loving. He who tells the truth says almost nothing. Nothing is not only nothing, it's also our prison. Day cannot mock him who does mock the night. We have a world for each one, but we don't have world for all. Man, when he doesn't grieve, hardly exists. More grievous than tears is the sight of them. Following straight lines, shorten distance, and also life. My body separates me from every being and everything. Nothing but my body. I saw a dead man, and I was a little. My God, what a great thing a dead man is. The killer of souls doesn't kill a soul 100 souls. He kills one soul 100 times. I am in myself so little that what they do with me scarcely interests me. Something becomes so completely our own that we forget them. When I die, I will not see myself die for the first time.